What do you?
My name's Christine, I'm from OMAC.
I'm Sarita and I'm from Anson.
And what brought you out today to this event? Why the interest in signing up for it?
I'm looking into mechanical engineering and it just seemed like a great opportunity to get to know stuff in the field.
Very cool.
I wasn't sure what I wanted to do in my future, and I thought that it would introduce me to a lot of careers that I didn't know about.
Oh, very cool. And the project to build a solar car, was that challenging? Fun?
It was challenging, but it was very fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, there were some obstacles that we had to overcome with everything.
What did you enjoy about it?
The design process.
Naming my car.
The what?
Naming my car.
What was your car's name?
Hot Glue and Hope.
What? Sorry?
Hot Glue and Hope.
Hot Glue and Hope. What was yours name?
Little princess.
She chose mine, I chose hers.
First, second, and third place.
1, 2, 3. Hey, good job, everybody.